Hello everyone, I am Navika Chopra. I joined Tiny Prince Art Academy. I enjoy interesting and amazing art by Prajakta ma'am. I love you ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, this is Kirtana. I have done this drawing with Prajakta ma'am. This is a Bengali Pathachitra art. She taught us this art step by step and made the art very easy that I was very happy with my outcome. She taught us a lot about different art forms and I enjoyed the classes a lot.
Ma'am teaches us with a lot of patience and gives us individual attention.
Hello, I'm Adi. I've drawn this with Tiny Prince Art Academy. I'm drawing with Tiny Prince Art Academy from 7 to 8 years. I have won first prize in my whole school because of this awesome drawing which I did with Tiny Prince Art Academy. If we don't take care of our earth will flip upside down this way.
Hi everybody, I am Sudarshan. I have joined Tiny Prince Art Academy 3 months before. This is my first drawing. This is a portrait of Anubis. Anubis is the Egyptian god of death. Previously, I was not able to draw well, but now I have improved a lot. I take this opportunity to thank ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I made this drawing. Doesn't this look real? I like Tiny Prince Academy because the teachers are very nice and helpful.
Hello, I am Ritika. I gave enrolled into Tiny Prince Art Academy since last 6 months. This is Kerala mural art that I drew with Prajakta ma'am. I love the teaching pattern because it's very easy to follow. I will suggest all kids should join Tiny Prince Art Academy. Thank you.
Hello, I am 𝐋𝐞𝐚𝐫𝐧. Thank you Tiny Prince Art Academy for enhancing my art skills. I have joined Tiny Prince 3 months back and I have learned a lot of art forms. This is one of my favorite art forms called rectangle art.
Hi, I've been learning drawing in Tiny Prince Art Academy from past 5 years. This is called Madhubani art. I like Madhubani art because it has intricate designs, beautiful patterns and bright colors.
Hello everyone, my name is Ira. I'm 7 years old and this is one of my favorite pictures I did with Tiny Prince Art Academy. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sharayu and I'm going to talk about this picture. This is an Madhubani art, and when I first saw this picture, I thought it was going to be really hard. But I was wrong. It was really simple to follow when Prajakta ma'am taught it. I loved drawing and coloring different pictures in Prajakta ma'am's classes from Tiny Prince. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sukriti. I like this drawing because I love nature. I love Tiny Prince Academy because it teaches me difficult drawings in an easier way.
Hello, a warm welcome to Tiny Prince Art Academy. Start your imagination with us. If you are one of those kids who love art, this is the place for you. Where drawing and coloring is taught from scratch. We conduct online drawing classes from age group of 5 to 16. Our professional designer mentors and art teachers will introduce different art styles. Syllabus is extremely child-friendly and easy to follow. So, come and explore this journey of becoming an independent artist with us. Sharing all details how to contact us.